Have you ever felt the overwhelming pressure of crafting a marketing campaign that truly connects? The journey to design an impactful campaign often resembles navigating a complex labyrinth filled with obstacles. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to simplify this process, making your campaign creation seamless and effective. Brand communities yearn for captivating initiatives, while affiliates seek compelling narratives to promote passionately. The daunting challenge of engaging these groups can feel like facing Everest without a guide, daunting and uncertain. Picture ChatGPT as your expert Sherpa, guiding you through the intricacies of campaign crafting with profound insights. With AI, you can transform towering challenges into streamlined processes, making collaboration enjoyable and impactful. Consider utilizing user-generated content to foster authentic connections and drive enthusiastic engagement within your community. Prompts from AI can spark creativity, ensuring campaigns resonate deeply and invigorate your brand's loyal enthusiasts. Ambassador recruitment can amplify your voice, tapping into influential figures who genuinely represent your brand values. New customer acquisition requires innovative campaigns that joyously introduce your products while driving significant engagement. Experience the synergy of AI-driven insights and genuine community connections, shaping unforgettable narratives that resonate. Remember, the heart of every successful campaign is the compelling stories and emotions shared within your community. Let's embrace AI as a powerful ally in crafting memorable brand narratives, merging technology with genuine passion.